We are in Vienna, Austria. Exactly in Laser Tiergarten, a big nature park in Heidsieck. This is Sisi's summer house, Hermès Villa. Architecture style, Neo-Baroque.
Die Wurzel von einem Baum ist das.
Emperor Franz Joseph made Empress Elisabeth Sisi as present this palace. From 1880 to 1886, the famous architect Karl von Hassenauer created this building. He was the architect on other important buildings on the Ringstrasse in Vienna. The Hermes Villa was very modern, with water pipes and electricity. The Hermes Villa is a two-story building. Renaissance and Baroque elements are everywhere to recognize.
Wie viel kostet? Von Wildschwein oder was?
Elizabeth stays in the Hermes Villa. (1881) 2 Mai until 19 Mai and 25 Mai until 30 Juni. 1882 3 Mai until 15 Juni.
Du erinnerst dich, du hast hier Millionen Bilder und sogar von
1883 1 Mai until 30 Juni. 1894 the 23rd of April until 23 Juni. 1895 1 Mai until 30 Juni. 1886 12 Mai until 1 Juli and the 24th of August until the 24th of September. 1897 1 Mai until 7 Mai. 1898 last common stay of the imperial family before departure to Bad Ischl on the 2nd of July. The original interior is only partially preserved. The park area belonging to the castle has an area of 36 hectares. Sisi has called this villa Palace of Dreams. It is said that Franz Joseph built it to keep her from running all around Europe as she was wont to do. A statue of Hermes, Greek god of travelers and the deceased. Holds a prominent position in the garden and gave the villa its name. An exhibition on the history of the house shows how the royal family lived. Highlights include the Empress's bedroom, furnished with a magnificent bed from the time of Maria Theresa.
Wirklich.
Opening hours from 15:03 until the 31st of October 2025, Tuesday to Sunday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ticket €8, reduced €6. Free admission every first Sunday of the month and for visitors under the age of 19.